Then, ilang araw bago matransfer sa GCash. So, yun lang. Ano bang tawag na? Sa mga sasagot sa aking question, thank you. Sana meron sumagot. So, ngayong araw is, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Lunch, dinner. Oo nga, dinner nga. Nalilito ako sa lunch at saka dinner. Pero tapos na kami mag-dinner ni grandfather. Hello, one viewer shoutout. Don't forget to like and share. So, hindi tayo nakapag-live kailan. Kanina, busy first zone. Hello, thank you for the topping guys. Sa mga makakasagot, ilang araw bago matransfer yung money galing yung money galing sa sa Hello Money to GCash, transfer to GCash. Sinong nakakaranas ng ganito? Hello, one viewer, shout out. If you wanna join my live guys, please comment here in my live chat. I thank you. Hello to viewer, shout out. Mag-ano tayo guys? Maghuhugas. Hello to viewer, shout out. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Guys, thank you for subscribing my live and my channel. Thank you so much. Hello, 3 viewer, shout out. If you wanna join my live, please comment here in my live chat, guys. Guys, are you a Filipino? Guys, 3 viewers. Good evening. Kumusta naman kayo, guys? Saan lugar is sagot ng aking quest? Please comment here in my live chat. Hello to 22 viewers. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Guys, may katanungan ako. Sa GCash. Na-receive mo ngayon. Sa Hello Money yung money. Hello Money to Hello Money. Tapos ita-transfer, ano yun kabukasan pa pwedeng i-transfer. Pero si Hello Money kasi nag-update yun. Pero ngayon pang system nila, hindi ako transfer. Sinong makakasagot? Hello 9 viewers, shoutout. Shoutout 9 viewers. Don't forget to like and share guys. Ngayon lang ulit tayo nag-live. Busy ang person. Thank you for the like guys. So if you wanna join my live, please comment here in my live chat. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Kahit wala akong kausap. Basta naghuhugas tayo guys. Naghuhugas tayo. Today is rainy day. How is the Philippines? I think I have a bagyo. I have a typhoon and the Philippines. Sa amin umulan din. Hello 5 viewers. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Why you supposed to keep silent? You don't want to talking. Guys, usapin niyo ako habang magmamaritisan tayo. Diba? Mabula yung ating ngayon dishwash. Guys, hello 7 viewers. Shout out. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, guys. Pa-answer ng ating question for today. Nasa ano ba tawag ko rin? Nasa title ng live ko yung question ko, guys.